Hello everyone. So in the video lecture series of the 8th chapter, that is structures and unions, we are going to head to unions. But before going through the declaration, initialization and the concept of union, I would like to explain union in terms of structures, that what is the difference between both of these. So first in my whiteboard I am going to explain that. So whenever I was telling about structure, so right now suppose I am saying that I am creating a structure named as student. So what I was doing, I was creating an empty table with garbage values. So here student can have name, student can have ID, student can have address and result, right? So student can have these details. Now say I have already shown you that name of student can be in, like say in name of student can have size 10. So I can say that each byte is each characters are occupying 1 byte. So this will maximum have size 10 byte. Suppose ID is integer, it is having size 4 byte. Array address is a character array of size 10, so it can have size say 10 byte, and result is in float, so it can have size 8 byte. So here it was character array. It is also having character array type, right? This was integer and this was float. So I have shown you that inside, let me write it in different color. So I have shown you that this, if this is a memory, inside this memory it will occupy 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 8. So they are occupying 32 bytes, right? So each structure member of student will occupy 32 bytes. So if it is S1 will occupy 32 bytes. If it is student S2, it will also occupy 32 bytes. If it is S3, it will occupy 32 bytes. Total 96 bytes will be occupied. Now, what is the difference of union? So if this is not structure, if I am writing struct student, then that means student is of type structure. Now, what if I want to write about union? What if I want to write about union? If I want to write about union, I can write it as, say, union student. Now, student is not structure, student is union. So, for structures, struct keyword is used. For union, union keyword is used. Right? So, you can declare it in same way, that if you want to write it like this, so you can write, this kind of commas, and inside this you can define character, name having size 10, then int, ID, then float, result, and here after this I am writing add address of byte 10. Then what is the difference? Then is the difference is only this keyword struct and union? No. When we allocate memory, that's where the difference comes. So suppose this is the memory. is the memory, and I have created union student. Just forgot about this. I have created union student. So now I know that this will occupy 10 byte, this will occupy 10 byte, this will occupy 4 byte, and this will occupy 8 bytes. Now they are not going to provide 32 byte to each union. They are not going to provide 32 byte combinedly. In union, it will decide that maximum of how much bytes are required. So maximum of 10 bytes are required. So it will just assign 10 byte space to this union. So if S1 is the union, so S1 is of type student union, then it will occupy 10 byte. If S2 is of type student union, then it will occupy 10 byte. And if S3 is there, it will also occupy 10 bytes. So combinedly it is occupying only 30 bytes. Now you can ask then how exactly the value is stored. So first, if I am taking value from user, so if I have used scanf and taking value of this name, then it will be stored in this space. So in this 10 byte, it will store the name. Now when I am taking address, it will just replace whatever values are here. Then if I am taking integer, then integer will not take 10 bytes, it will just take 4 bytes. So this 4 bytes will be replaced with some integer value. And at the end, if I am taking result, then the result will replace all the other values, right? All the values before. So at the end, only the last member exists. All the other values are replaced. So if you are dealing with union, you cannot retrieve the previous value, you have to print it on the same time. Right? So that is the difference. The memory location, how the memory is allocated is different in case of union. So I want to explain this concept with the help of whiteboard before going through the difference between structure and union. So I hope now you know that if I just erase every extra terms and if I just conclude this topic of structure versus union, then I can say, let me just erase this first. So if I am erasing it, now say I have created here struct student which is having say int r number, that is roll number, float result, and character, say just float result. And okay, so it is having two members, and suppose I have created another thing, that is union of student, not the structure, and inside that I am taking similar members, r number and float result, right? So what is happening, if I am writing say S1 over here and S2 over here, the spaces are created for S1 and S2. So here spaces are created for S1 and S2. Now in this space, it is giving 4 byte to roll number and 8 byte to result. So whenever user is entering S1 and S1 dot R number using scanf. So user is entering value using scanf. Inside this, it will store it as 20. So roll number is 20. Then if user is entering say S1 dot result, right? So it will store this value over here. Say result is say 98%. Right? So if I want to print this, I can print it. If I want to print this, I can print it. But what in case of union? So if it is the case of union, that is the case here. So here in this case for S2, this will occupy 4 byte, this will occupy 8 bytes. So it will assign memory, maximum of the members. So maximum between this is 8 bytes. So it will just assign 8 byte. So we know that first, if I am writing S2 and S2 dot R number inside the scanf function, then it will store 20 over here. Now in the scanf function itself, if I am writing s2 dot result and using scanf for the second time, and if user is entering say 98, then what it will do, it will just replace this 20 with 98. So now if I will write a statement like printf %d, so if I am writing a statement like printf say roll number is %d, and here if I am writing s2 dot r number, then it will print 98, not 20. So this is the difference between structures and unions. Please go through this difference before going through the actual notes for the difference. So I hope you understand the concept of union. If you have any doubt, you can comment below the comment section and ask me. I will really very eager to know that your feedbacks, if you understand this concept or not. If you don't understand anything, you can comment below the comment section. And see you in the next class with the example of union and the difference of union and structure. Till then, thank you so much.